In a classroom in Western Sydney, students are taking on bullies using martial arts of a different kind.
1, 2, 3. What do you mean by that? Again. What do you mean by that?
It's called social kung fu and gives students phrases to counter schoolyard and online attacks.
It goes from that spectrum of defence to becoming really assertive and building positive relationships. No.
It was developed by Matt Purcell, who found his childhood kung fu lessons couldn't block verbal taunts.
Among us boys, name-calling, teasing is a really casual thing. Sometimes it gets out of hand.
If we can teach young people how to use their words powerfully and to speak up for themselves, then literally our world will be completely changed.
Bullying is a type of adverse childhood experience, and experts are concerned it could be contributing to a spike in teen mental health issues.
These mental health issues that appear in adolescence, they don't just happen overnight. Usually there's been precursors through the earlier childhood years.
Figures show 1 in 4 Australian teens was cyberbullied in the past year. Victims are more likely to have anxiety and depression and have double the risk of suicide in later life.
Ongoing stresses that are persistent and significant for a young person are going to affect how the pathways in the brain develop.
Dr. Deirdre Gartland is studying resilience and says having connections to community, culture, family and interests outside of school help children weather these storms.
When children do have access to these resources, they are much more likely to have positive mental health and well-being.
Matt says getting help for teens begins with a conversation. Alison Branley, ABC News.